How to fix Shopee network error or no internet connection error. Here's what you want to do. I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, if you are connected to Wi-Fi, I suggest switching over to mobile data, and vice versa. If you're using mobile data to access Shopee, then try connecting to a Wi-Fi network. That's going to be the first fix. And for the second one, we can proceed to go to our phone settings. And right here, you just want to search for iPhone storage. If you are using an Android, then you can simply uninstall and reinstall the app. For example, here, let's just do this application, TikTok. You want to offload the app. This is going to be for Shopee, obviously. You will offload the app, and then once you offload it, you will reinstall it. Once you do this, the last thing that I can suggest doing is restarting your phone. Right here at the top, you will see the power button, or you will simply hold the power button on your mobile device, turn it off, then you want to turn it back on again by holding the power button, and this should fix the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.